Alright, hey guys, it is me, Tins, and I am back with another new releases video. And these are the new releases for May 17th, 2019. These went up at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time today. Well, this will probably upload on Saturday at this point because I had to redo this video. I recorded earlier. I saw some things I didn't like. I went back to the drawing board with some of the designs, got everything tweaked, set to go. So now I'm back ready to share. So I have some script text new releases. So I told y'all that 4 was coming to the shop. So 4 script text. So I'll talk about that in just a second. And then I have the June B6 monthly kit and the July. So I want to go ahead and release because we're already so close to June. So I want to give an opportunity if you want to go and purchase July to purchase June as well, because I'll be using the June one in a plan with me. I wanted to get it up last week, but I just didn't get around to it. I had some things on the list of priorities that were higher than these particular releases. So sorry about that, but this is up in the shop now. And yeah, I went back to the drawing board with it actually because I just had a little too much foil going on. So this one, I just went back to simplicity because there's beauty in simplicity. And yeah, went back to the drawing board with the artwork and with how I foiled it. Turned out beautifully. I'm loving it. So I just have June 2019 foil for you. I have these little pieces of washi down here foil. I did not foil the paydays this time because it just wouldn't have looked good with the color that I made the paydays flags. And then over here, I have your July sticker for next month foil. And then I have the weekday covers foil. And then I giving you a ton of washi and several bill dues. So same format for July, but this is the July version and it's foiled with gold as well. And it's just this super pretty kind of red, pink, and blue artwork. I may come out with another version for July as well, another design. So for those who are into the patriotic or to the kind of red and blue, so keep on the lookout for that. But July is pretty far out. I have plenty of time to release a few kits. And I have your August sticker up here for the next month, and then plenty of washi so to your heart's content, and then your bill due stickers over here. And yeah, so that is the June and July B6 monthly kits. I will be releasing the July and August monthly budget kits very soon, and I'm thinking of, like I said, expanding those out to include so you can actually use those in your regular Erin Conjuring planner as well. So stay tuned for that. Next, we're going to jump into the script text. I have these smaller sheets that are priced between $2 and $2.50. They're kind of like $2 Tuesdays, but I'm just going to go ahead and release them now. They are 3x4. And I have new releases, design, $2 Tuesday, washi Wednesday, paint nails, me time, work, and bath night. So that's what I have so far. I try to go with really common ones that I use a lot, ones I see others use a lot. So if you have any suggestions, you can feel free to drop me a line. I do take customs on those and on these as well. So let me know if you need something specific and I can absolutely get that done for you. The next ones are, they are 4x6 basically. So they're nearly just a little bit less than double these, but pretty much almost double the sheet size of these. So actually it may even be more like, 6 and some change. I don't quite remember. It may be like 6. I don't know. It's like 6 and some change. So you get a ton of stickers on each one. Some of these have 3 phrases on them or 3 words on them. Like this one is today, this week, next week. And then you have film, edit, and upload. And just depending on, the size of the word, that's how many fit on the sheet. So for instance, this one has 2, 4, 6. This one has 18 stickers on it. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8. This one has 24 on it of the film, edit, and upload one. So that's a really good one to get. This one's all for plan. This one says all plan. And you get 2, 4, 6, 7. So you get 28 on this one. So almost one for each day of the week for like a month. And then you have Happy Mail on this one, and you get 2, 4, 6, 7. So you get 21 on this one. So these are a great deal. They're going to be priced between $3.50 and $4, and they're all going to be available in premium matte, glossy, and transparent, clear transparent. So yeah, so those are all for the new releases I have for this week. I really hope you guys like them. Use code INSTA10 to save 10% off in the shop. And again, if you have any customs or anything you'd like to see, please let me know. You can send me a message on Instagram, or you can email me at hello@blissandfaith.com. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe as well. I hope you do. Hope to see you back. And thank you so much for watching. And you can get everything featured in the video over at blissandfaith.com. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.